So this is how to fix connection error in Roblox. So if you're facing connection error in your Roblox, this is what you have to do. First of all, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for your Roblox app. So when you find your Roblox app, what you have to do is to just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Then after that, you're going to see this pop up, which is app info. So you have to just tap on the app info. So when you tap on app info, you're going to be in the Roblox app info. So when you get over here, what you have to do is to just tap on the first stop, tap on OK, then after that tap on notifications. So when it opens, what you have to do is to make sure the show notification is turned on. Now go back and tap on permission. Now make sure every permission is allowed, which is the camera, contacts, microphone, and storage. Then after do it, what you have to do is to just tap on the storage and cache. Then after that, tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. This is very important over here. When you see that the background data is turned on like this, when it's turned off like this, just make sure it's turned on like this, as you can see over here. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So tap on advanced, then after that, what you have to do is to tap on app details. So it's going to send you to Google Play Store for you to check the update. So over here, as you can see, we have updates over here. So it means you have to just tap on this update to get the latest update. So just tap over here to get the latest update. Then after tapping on it, you're going to see that it's going to reinstall and get installed on your phone successfully. Then now what you have to do lastly is to just tap on your power button, tap on restart, and tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video.